Hi folks, Rich Pasini from Reseller News. I just want to share some photos I took this morning at 6:24 in the morning. Perfect time for this time of the year, especially with Halloween coming around. You got to see the cloud formation. Without further ado, let's get right to it. Check this out, folks. And if you look, they're time stamped. But I know the picture's a little cockeyed here, but that's okay. I took it from my living room window, so I just wanted to share that stuff with you guys. Check it out. Now, if you look over here, it says 10/26/2018, 6:24 a.m. These pictures here, as they go along, you'll see a little difference in the cloud formation here. You can see over here, there was a bird flying around at that time, but check it out. You notice how it's starting to get more, it's the blue, but it's starting to fade a little here. Look at these pictures, folks. I mean, they're really spectacular. I love clouds. I mean, I take a lot of pictures of cloud formations. Look at this. Notice how it's over here turning like an auburn orange here. Look at that. Yeah. And you can see the timestamp change. This is 6:25 a.m. So it's starting to get a little more intensified up here. But check this out, though, folks. Look at this. Look at that up here. Yeah, really nice pictures. I like taking pictures. This is the most beautiful sunrise I've ever seen so far. I mean, to be honest with you, I've seen sunrise before, but not like this. I mean, this is spectacular. You know, for me it is anyway. Look at that. And like I said, 6:24. Now it says 6:25. Look at this one here. This was taken at 6:26. Looks like all the blue. Now this is a close-up, but it looks like a lot of the blue disappeared. Now, does it look like a paint strokes here? Like someone painted it, right? That's the clouds. That's the clouds. It's a close-up of it. Look at that. Amazing, right? Beautiful picture. Beautiful. Look at this. Look at the cloud formation. Look at this over here. It looks like fire over here. Looks like it's burning. Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. Yeah. This one here. Look at this one. I like this one here. This looks like fire is coming out here, right? You can see it, but and again, this was still at 6:26. Now, if I would have done time lapse more pictures, you would have seen this eventually would have dissipated. You know, I'm not going to say. I think at that time, I don't think it all turned orange. I think eventually at one point it would just dissipate. But you had to see the photos are great though, folks. They really. I mean, from here, from this blue and orange, you can see this is coming up. This is like I said, 6:24 to over here. You can see the change in there. Beautiful pictures, all right. Anyway, I just wanted to share that with you guys, and if you like my videos, folks, if you like the video content I put out, like I said, I do the Reseller News, so I'm sure a lot of you know me by now. If you like this video, just give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe and like, comment, and share. Until next time, I'll talk to you then. Bye-bye now.